Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.5 in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold retreated as investors focused on the likelihood that the US interest rates are set to rise, but concerns over the course of the Ukraine conflict put safe haven bullions on track for a second consecutive weekly gain. Britain's economy rebounded much more than expected in January from its coronavirus-related lull in late 2021, raising the likelihood of an interest rate hike next week. The euro steadied but was still set for weekly gains as the European Central Bank's announcement that it will phase out its stimulus lent support to the single currency.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Finland's consumer price index at 0600 GMT. The French current account will be released at 7:45 GMT, the French exports at 7:45 GMT, the UK's Rightmove house price index at 0101 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.